Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you will all good. Today we are going to explore the world of kitchen design and share some expert tips to help you create your dream kitchen. So let's get started. Before we starting designing our kitchen, we need to plan the layout. This includes measuring the space, identifying the work triangle, and deciding on the layout style. The work triangle refers to the distance between the sink, stove, and refrigerator. A well designed kitchen should have a comfortable work triangle to make cooking and cleaning easier. Cabinets and storage are essential components of a well designed kitchen. We will explore different types of cabinets, including stock, semi custom, and custom options. When choosing cabinets, consider factors such as durability, style, and functionality. Countertops and backsplashes can add visual interest and functionality to your kitchen. We will explore different materials. We will explore different materials including granite, quartz, and tile. When choosing countertops and backsplashes, consider factors such as durability, maintenance, and style. Lighting and plumbing fixtures can greatly impact the functionality and ambience of your kitchen. We will explore different types of lighting, including overhead task and ambient lighting. When choosing lighting and plumbing fixtures, consider factors such as functionality, style, and energy efficiency. Flooring and decor can add the final touches to your kitchen design. We will explore different types of flooring, including hardwood, tile, and laminate, etc. When choosing flooring and decor, consider a factor such as durability, maintenance, and style. When it comes to stove design, there are several types to choose from. These include gas stove, electric stoves, induction stoves, and dual fuel stoves. That's enough for today's video on kitchen design. Hope you will like